Winter, the season that freezes everything. The roads, the trees, and sometimes even the heart. But somewhere in this frozen village, a young man named Lucas was about to learn a lesson he would never forget. He wakes up inside his tiny wooden room. Frost covers the walls. It's colder than yesterday. He checks his firewood basket, only a few small pieces left. Lucas lived alone. No family, no warm hands waiting for him. Only a small room and a winter that showed no mercy. He touches the frozen window and sighs. I have to go out again. Even in this weather, Lucas walks through a quiet, snow-covered market. Shops are barely open, people rushing home. Winter had silenced the village. No children playing, no neighbors talking, just wind and survival. Lucas tries to buy firewood, but the vendor shakes his head. Sorry, Lucas, price has doubled. Winter's getting worse. Lucas looks down at the few coins in his hand. I don't have enough. The vendor gives an apologetic look. Lucas walks away slowly. When winter rises, even kindness becomes expensive. Snow begins falling heavier. Lucas walks home when he notices something ahead. A frail old woman sitting alone beside the icy road, struggling to stand. Ma'am, do you need help? Her breath is weak. My home is far. My legs are tired. I can't walk anymore. Lucas looks at the sky. Dark clouds are gathering. He could barely help himself, yet fate had placed someone even weaker in his path. Lucas takes her basket and supports her shoulder. Come on, lean on me. We'll walk together. The old woman's eyes soften. Bless you, child. The wind intensifies. Snow whips across their faces. You should leave me. This storm is too strong. Lucas's tone is firm. I'm not leaving anyone behind. Not today. With every step, the cold bit deeper. The world around them turned white. But Lucas held on. He stumbles, but keeps moving. You'll freeze. Lucas forces a smile. Maybe, but not before I get you home. Visibility drops. The snowfall becomes blinding. The storm grew angrier. Their footprints disappeared behind them. There was no path, only courage. Lucas stops, breathing heavily. I can't see the road. The old woman touches his hand. Feel it. Not every path is seen with eyes. Lucas closes his eyes, listens to the wind, and notices a faint chimney smoke in the distance. He feels a surge of relief. You're home. It must be close. They finally reach a small, warm-looking cottage. Lucas helps her inside. A fire crackles softly. The old woman collapses into a chair. You saved me. No one else stopped today. No one? Lucas shivers. It was the right thing to do. Anyone would have helped. The old woman smiles. No, only hearts that carry warmth in a world gone cold. She wraps a thick shawl over Lucas's shoulders. The old woman slowly opens an old wooden chest as Lucas watches curiously. I want to give you something. She pulls out a warm winter coat, a large bag of firewood, and a hand-knitted scarf. I can't accept this. It's too much. Her voice is gentle. Kindness isn't a debt, Lucas. It's a circle. It always comes back. In a world full of cold winds. Her words felt like sunlight. Lucas looks around the cozy cottage. Do you live here alone? The old woman nods. For many winters now. But I've watched you, Lucas. Your kindness isn't new. He's surprised. You know me. She smiles. I'm not just an old woman. I once owned the largest bakery in this village. Your father worked for me. Long ago, Lucas's eyes widen. Her voice is soft. Your father was a good man, Toda. And today, you reminded me of him. Lucas gets emotional. I never thought anyone remembered him. He still lives through you. Lucas walks home wearing the warm coat and scarf. The snow falls gently now, not violently anymore. That night, Lucas didn't just bring warmth to his home. He brought warmth back to his heart. The camera shows Lucas placing the firewood beside his little stove. Flames rise softly. Winter tests everyone, but kindness is the fire that never dies. If this winter story touched your heart, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps these stories reach more people who need them. Stay warm, stay kind.